Hi guys, this woodworking climbing square is versatile and reliable tool for all your project made from aluminum alloy and stainless steel. It offers corrosion resistance and a durable and noising finish. Its precise laser and gravimetric and improved scales make measurements easy to read and accurate. Perfect for wood, board jointing, gluing or welding, this tool helps you maintaining and right angle effortlessly. The 5.5-inch size is essentially choice for versatile tasks, ensuring and great for fit both professional and hobbyists. Whether you're working on boxes, furniture, or other projects, this clamping square is a great addition to your talking. For peace of mind, it comes with an year warranty and 24-hour customer service. This review is inspected inside provided directly by the seller.